Wessex blades. With some funky mail. The initial shock was when I put it down on my voice. Apparently, the hard bit of the bomb is Scott. Something small and twee to open it. Now, I had a message from the funkster that Quality had sent me something, but the passenger pigeons had took it to Funky first, and he's added to it. Oh, these YouTubers. How do I get into here then? Cool. It's a very tough little container. I think I'm in. It's a hell of a box. It's usually back muscles, I think. We're in. All sorts of goodies in here. Good Lord, look at that lot. It's absolutely jam-packed. That's what the cookery did. Wow! Something's hit the deck. Pick it up in a minute. Probably for Jasmine. A little fob in pink. To put this down because my filthy garage. Green Tabasco, green pepper sauce, very funky. God, just little trinkets. Water purifying tabs. What's this? Coffee, chocolate. Gravity works in the garage at least. Beverage, lemonade. This is major funky unboxing. You're trying to say something about the size of my tubes. Funky tubing, Ranger bands, eye wash, topical irrigation solution, so that's an eye bath thing. Super for the first aid kit. What's this? Funky camo, chemical light. Easy bit stove. Something hit the deck, I don't know what it was. There it is. Something for my skin. It's Palmolive Naturals for sensitive. Definitely man products. And a mountain of wood. That's huge. Hardwood, a go-go. Look at it all. And under there's some metal. I'll figure out what steel this is. Stainless of some description, I guess. So, Quality Jackson by a Funky. Thank you very much. I must wash the urge. Almond milk. Oh, you guys know me. Jazzy's going to love that. So thank you very much, guys. Knife making supplies. I now have my knife making supplies up here for wood. You might be able to see over the top of the old funky drill. But I have a nice crate there in a dry spot in my garage. And all the wood's going to go in there. So thank you, guys. Much appreciated. Scott with knife making supplies and a funky relief package. You guys. See you on the next one. Scott from Wessex Blades.